We are professional Hollywood sound design and Foley artists. We specialize in action movie sound effects.
Do it again! I wasn't recording!
But we do the occasional chick flick now and then.
It's not you! It's me!
Sharks don't growl, man.
Spielberg said he wanted sharks growling in Jaws 5.
Okay, well, you tell me how you want me to
Guys, calm down. All right, I have some great news. I just got off the phone with John Krasinski. We're on.
What is it?
Office season 10.
He wants us to do sound design for his new movie, A Quiet Place. He just sent the scripts.
I'm confused. Are there no lines in this movie?
Well, no, hence the title. It's called A Quiet Place.
Yeah, we got it.
So what does John want us to do exactly?
This is insulting.
Oh, there are a few sounds in the movie. Let's see, we have the occasional loud footstep, a couple screams. Oh, a pump action shotgun. More emotion, more emotion, more emotion. Again. Bigger. You can do it.
This is probably the lamest sound design job. This is probably the lamest sound.
Michael Bay's on the phone. He wants us to sound his new movie, Transformers. It's shot entirely in outer space.
But there's no sound in space.
I quit.
What do I tell Mike?